Viewers sub-brand iQOO will introduce at the Z11 Turbo. The most notable upgrade, its build quality. Battery will be 7600 plus mAh. The Z11 Turbo adopts a metal frame paired with a blue glass back. The smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon Gen 5 chipset with the addition of an octa-core processor. Further leaks indicate that the phone will feature AMOLED touchscreen display with a 6.59 inches screen size. Refresh rate will be 144 Hz. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB. And internal memory will be 256 and 512 GB. There will be 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Smartphone will be a triple camera system. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.